Oh, it was a big one. It was a big one.
Something special, something that you can't control, yeah. You're so special, I just wanna get a hold on. You're so special, I ain't gonna let you go, no, no.
What's up, LA Life Gang? Oh, snap now! Hey! Hey! Hold on. So we're on our way to our hometown, and I decided to do this because Janai was in my food. So when we get home, what am I gonna eat? Salad. Nope. See, what do I always eat when I go to Ned?
Oh, that barbecue place.
King Ribs and where else? Sire and Lily's like
Lowe's
Donuts.
Bakery.
Lowe's Bakery. So I did a video on this before, but I never posted it, so I might do it today. But what y'all eat?
Good thing. Oh wait, no, this is part. Never mind.
Okay. Oh, it was a big one. It was a big one. You was a big one. You went to the bathroom? Better be careful. It was a big one. It was a big one. Can't even walk in these shows. I might have you get the truck. Huh? I guess I was too much for that party. Story time. Went to a party, was overly dressed. I'm not messing with no parties in that anymore. Done. King Ribs. They have the best. I don't eat pork, but I do eat their grilled barbecue chicken. It is fire. I got one more stop that's absolutely famous in Indianapolis, but I like the way they have their bathrooms decorated here. So I'm about to go in. So the home of King Ribs. This is in Indianapolis, Indiana. You getting something tonight? So look, it's a Sunday, y'all, so it might be a little packing. I don't know. Oh, it's not too bad, but there is. It smells so good. It do smell good.
Can I get a talkie?
I just gave you one.
I got you ready back. Here we go.
You want one? Oh, no, I'm good. What's this time?
I've been inside the place. I know I have been.
Not this location. The other one, you can't even go in on the east side. East 30th Street. Gotta do the unboxing of King Ribs.
Didn't I have to go to another store? Did I have to go to another store?
And this is it. Come get this. Zoom in on this chicken.
I did.
This is it. Fire. The sauce. I don't get my sauce on there. I get it on the side. Sweet potato. Macaroni and cheese. There's nobody over here. Right. We better hurry up. You see how they come in? It was fast. I know, right? Yep. So, y'all want to know where we at? Of course, when I come to my hometown, I have to stop through. This is a bad habit, but this is what I grew up off of. Y'all already know what it is. Lowe's Bakery. Aaliyah, stop. You don't walk in front of older people. That's rude. From a country little city. That's your cousin. How you doing?
Good.
This is Tykel. This is Gail's daughter. You don't remember cousin Gail that came down with Tykel? With little Tucker? Tucker? He had the hoverboard.
The one that had the hoverboard and he let us ride on it and then he picked us up to ride on it.
That's her brother. Okay, what is it? So yes, we are in our hometown. What town? Of course, I had to come through. Okay. Let's get to the donuts. It ain't right if I don't come here. Long's Bakery, long live Long Bakery Donuts. It's awfully quiet. Barbecue it, damn. We are on our way to the bowling. We're downtown Indianapolis.
I don't like walking on these.
Yeah, my mother told me a story when I was a little girl that a little boy was walking on that and he fell down into that and got trapped and they had to wait for the ambulance to come rescue him. So I never like walking on them. What? What?
I'm not really ever to act
Okay.
up to get punched.
Mama said, her mom said that somebody.
I just said the story. I just told her that. And then she go.
Oh, they got the bikes
See the
too.
camp. Oh, we should go bike riding. It's only 3 bikes.
We got the bikes in Georgia.
We're at the bowling. These two are arguing.
Very boring.
It smells very fishy. Let's go. Subway. Oh, baby, baby.
Have you even noticed that?
Are you serious?
Should I just bring you a bigger cup?
That's fine now.
Yeah?
She good, yeah.
Yeah? Can I
Thank
grab
you.
anything for you right now?
Do you want more water?
We got to dig in here.
Yeah? Alright.
Okay, ready? God is good. God is great. God, we thank you for our food, for our living tender care, for our blessing, we change Jesus' name.
Amen.
I know, I didn't know. I thought they wouldn't open. But I forgot Ashley told me that they opened them. I forgot. Yeah, thank you.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, this one.
Ooh, I get two.
No, give one to Zariah. Zariah goes to that. They seasoning don't taste like what's in
I
there.
can make this reaching on my food stuff.
What is shrimp?
At the bottom.
I found shrimp. It's
Not spicy at all.
It's not.
Tastes like
I
that.
didn't know it was like this. I would have got extreme.
Okay. They gotta take these off. These not working. Black coming out of here.
You get some shrimp, Jewel?
Oh, nope.
There you go.
Where's shrimp at?
Ew.
Where's the corn?
What is this shrimp?
It's not blood here.
I thought he said they cut the corn up.
He said half of the
What are you looking for?
A lid.
You better get one of these.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, what is this?
It's not bad.
Got
Snow crack?
Y'all can put your shells and stuff in here.
Yeah, I forgot how to eat.
Tell the towel out.
Come on out, sucker. Ew, so disgusting.
Why?
Go like this.
Ew.
That's how you supposed to eat it.
You put your mouth on it.
That's how you supposed to do it. No, I'm putting it back here.
I guess.
It's good.
That's good.
That's how they eat it in New Orleans.
That's how super eat hers too.
Yeah, super be boy. Should be turning it up.
Forget about these, because remember, and Miss B loves these things. She can eat these.
Eat
She
what?
said it's meat in here.
Meat and where?
These little claw things.
Oh, you have your tail?
Hold on now. Let me get this one.
That's all we do. We just suck them. That's it.
You eat the tail though. That's it. And once you do that, you just throw it away.
Oh, I didn't know because you eat the tail.
You ate the stomach?
No, I just suck it.
How did I do that? That's too fishy for me.
That's for you.
I'm gonna beat up.
You're nice other people in here eating. Stop. Yeah.
Look.
This stuff is messy.
Oh, yes.
Take it in. Oh, from here.
Wait, it's a shrimp. Double. It's a shrimp.
Everything good over here, Liz?
Yeah. Thank you. That one in Chicago?
Ew. No, I just
Yeah, we would have had a whole platter. They sauce is fire too. That La Grill that we went to in Chicago?
Yeah, that stuff is good.
Yeah.
I don't know what I was thinking. It's not really that spicy.
It's spicy. Yeah, it ain't spicy, but it's spicy.
I got those maggots in the back. Maggots in the back. First I get a chance, got those monkeys in a bag. Running on my maggots, little on the porch. Valley in the maggots, you panicked on my porch. Maggots are feisty, leader on my feisty. Maggots ass, maggot is. Feisty people are sassy. You can tell me about feisty. I got two lesson sisters that think they about to run some stuff, but they're not. Light skin people think they about to run some stuff, but they think they are grown on. I'm gonna go to the Rio and see that, and they about to put my stuff on hip hop, okay? So stay tuned. It's gonna be on my birthday, August 24th, okay?